In the early 1930s, America was fighting through the shadows of the Great Depression. And yet, from that difficult era emerged machines that carried hope, freedom, and style. The 1933 Ford was one such iconic car built not just to move people, but to inspire them. Decades later, that same spirit was reborn in a masterpiece known as the 1933 Ford 427 Renaissance Roadster. This was not a simple restoration. This was a resurrection. The name Renaissance means rebirth, and this Roadster truly earns it. What once began as a humble classic Ford was reimagined with a bold vision to blend old-world elegance with modern American muscle. Every line, every curve, and every reflection of light on its body tells a story of patience, passion, and perfection. When the car was finally unveiled, it didn't just enter the room it commanded it. Crowds fell silent. Judges leaned closer. Cameras flashed endlessly. The Renaissance Roadster wasn't just admired, it was felt. It captured the soul of a bygone era while boldly standing in the present, proving that true beauty never fades, evolves. This exact moment would later crown it with one of the highest honors in the automotive world, America's most beautiful street rod. But behind this breathtaking first impression lies a deeper story, one of craftsmanship measured in thousands of hours, of dreams forged in steel and chrome, and of a heart powerful enough to shake the ground beneath it, because what you see on the surface is only the beginning. The real magic lies in what comes next. First glance. The 1933 Ford 427 Renaissance Roadster looks like it is rolled straight out of a dream. Its exterior is not merely designed, it is sculpted. Every inch of the body reflects countless hours of craftsmanship, where metal was shaped by hand, not by machines alone. The builders respected the original 1933 Ford silhouette, yet refined it with modern precision, creating a perfect balance between nostalgia and innovation. The deep, rich red paint flows across the body like liquid glass. Under the lights, it shifts in tone, revealing layers of depth that only elite custom paintwork can achieve. This finish was not chosen for flash, but for elegance designed to highlight the car's curves, not overpower them. Chrome accents are placed with restraint, drawing the eye to the iconic grille, the smooth headlight housings, and the flawless trim that frames the body like jewelry. The stance of the car is low, confident, and purposeful. Custom wheels blend vintage style with modern engineering, while the wide tires anchor the Roadster to the ground, giving it a muscular yet graceful presence. From the sweeping fenders to the flowing roofline, nothing is accidental. Every line leads the eye forward, creating motion even when the car stands still. This is why the Renaissance Roadster is often called a rolling piece of art. It does not scream for attention, it earns it. Parked or moving, it tells a silent story of design philosophy where beauty, proportion, and detail come together in perfect harmony. Yet beneath this stunning exterior lies something far more aggressive, a heart built not for show, but for raw American power. Beneath the elegant skin of the 1933 Ford 427 Renaissance Roadster lives a force that transforms beauty into brutality. This is where art meets raw American muscle. At the center of it all is the legendary 427 cubic inch V8 engine, a power plant that represents decades of racing heritage, engineering excellence, and untamed performance. The moment the engine comes to life, the sound alone tells you this is no ordinary classic. It doesn't whisper, it roars. Each ignition sends a deep, thunderous note through the air, a reminder that this Roadster was built to be driven, not just displayed. The power delivery is instant, aggressive, and addictive, pushing the car forward with authority that contrasts sharply with its refined exterior. To control this beast, modern engineering plays a crucial role. A reinforced custom chassis provides strength and balance, while an advanced suspension system ensures smooth handling without sacrificing performance. High-performance brakes bring confidence at high speeds, allowing the driver to command the road with precision. This perfect blend of old-school muscle and modern technology turns every drive into an experience. It's not just a journey. Despite its power, the Renaissance Roadster remains surprisingly composed. On open highways, it cruises effortlessly, while on city streets, it commands attention with every acceleration. It embodies the philosophy of controlled power where strength is refined, it's not reckless. This 427 engine is more than metal and horsepower. It is the soul of the car, the heartbeat that makes this reborn classic feel alive. And yet, for all its power, the story is still incomplete. Because true greatness is not only about speed, but about comfort, value, and legacy. Step inside the 1933 Ford 427 Renaissance Roadster, and the atmosphere changes instantly. The roar of the engine fades into a world of refined luxury, where craftsmanship surrounds the driver from every angle. The interior is a perfect continuation of the car's philosophical classic elegance, enhanced by modern comfort. Hand-stitched leather seats hug the body, offering both support and sophistication, while the textures and colors are carefully chosen to reflect the car's timeless character. The dashboard is a work of art on its own. Vintage-inspired gauges blend seamlessly with modern technology, preserving the soul of the 1933 Ford while delivering the reliability expected from a world-class street rod. The steering wheel feels solid and purposeful, connecting the driver directly to the machine, while subtle details throughout the cabin reveal the obsessive attention paid to every inch of the build. Beyond luxury, the Renaissance Roadster holds immense value in the world of collectors. Its estimated worth reaches into the multi-million-dollar range, not only because of the materials used, but because of the story it tells. Winning the title of America's most beautiful street rod elevated it from an exceptional build to an automotive legend. This recognition placed it among the most respected custom cars ever created, more than metal and leather. This Roadster represents American car culture at its finest, a tribute to history, innovation, and passion. Decades from now, it will not simply be remembered as a car, but as a symbol of rebirth, a true renaissance, rebuilt with vision, driven by power, and destined for eternity.